Stay in here.
No! What are you raising
You're
me
fixing
for?
to go.
Wow!
Put your feet in
I'll
now.
get my fucking feet in! Fuck you!
Cops were called after a drunk woman went from passed out by the pool to storming the management office and refusing to leave. Acting like the whole complex was her drunken kingdom, Karma clocked in fast.
Okay, so I'm gonna have to ask you to leave, okay? Alright.
I all I want was to check my mail, see if anything packages, Bolero Pineda, 322.
Okay. They don't
That's
want you
all.
in here. So do you
I
understand?
live here.
But you don't live here. You live in an apartment.
That's
so my
perfectly
suggestion would be
fine.
for you to go to your apartment, okay?
And just not get my mail?
No, you have a right to your mail. Your mail will be here.
All I'm asking is Angel for my mail.
Okay, all I'm asking you to do is leave so I don't have to
And
arrest
all
you.
why would you arrest me for asking for my mail?
Because they don't want you in here. This is private
Why?
property. It's their property. It's not yours.
I'm just asking for mail.
I'm asking you to leave. So,
I'm just asking for
so
mail.
If you don't leave, I'm going to have to arrest you.
You
And it's not
can't
worth it.
arrest me. I'm just asking for my mail.
I'm asking you to leave.
I'm just asking for my mail. Do you understand that? As a citizen.
What would you like us to do?
I need her to leave now.
Okay.
You can
Do you want to
literally
press
arrest
charges?
me.
Yes. You're going to go to jail if you don't walk out that door right now.
I'm just asking for mail.
Okay.
You want to press charges if she doesn't leave?
If she doesn't leave.
Okay. Do you really want to go to jail for this?
I'm just
Do you really want to go to jail for this?
No, of course
Then
not.
leave. I'm asking. I can't beg
So
you.
I can't come to my leasing office for mail.
Not right now. Not till you sober
Not
up.
right now.
Till you sober up.
No.
Till you sober up.
I'm just asking.
You're just going to go to jail today. Okay?
Just leave.
Just leave. Go home.
So,
And sleep.
come tomorrow morning.
Sure.
Different story.
Yeah.
Why?
When you sober up.
You're not drunk.
Because I could leave. Just leave.
Can you give me a note of that?
No.
Why not?
Gosh, Lee, I just don't know how to put it any plainer. You're going to go to jail.
No.
Have you been arrested before?
No.
You're fixing to be.
You're drunk. You just leave and go home and sleep.
I live in my apartment building, guys.
They don't want you here.
That's
'Cause you're
perfectly
drunk.
fine, but
Well, then
can you
leave.
just
Then
give me
leave.
the reason of that?
That's 7 times I've asked, right? There will not be an 8th.
Why not?
Because
Why can't
I'm gonna
I get a
put you in
real
jail.
reason of that?
Do you understand what we're saying? They don't want you here because you're drunk. You need to leave.
That's perfectly fine.
Here's
But
the
can I
door.
just get
Go.
a reason.
Because you're drunk.
Because you're drunk.
That's the reason.
That's the reason.
Okay, can I get a written version of that?
No.
Why not?
Because this is not school. I don't give you a written version.
Excuse me?
After the 7th warning, the cop said there'd be no 8th. She still argued, denied everything, demanded paperwork, and called herself a good citizen while melting down chaos dressed as innocents.
I'm a perfectly good citizen.
Nobody said you were a bad citizen.
I don't cause any trouble.
You're causing trouble now.
No.
Because you won't leave. And I'm going to have to arrest you. And I don't want to.
And I don't want you to
Gosh.
either.
Gosh, just...
Can I just give a perfectly written
No,
excuse?
no.
Written excuses.
No.
You're drunk.
You're
Okay,
drunk.
unfortunately, I can't leave.
I ain't got time for this.
That's fine.
You guys want to press charges?
I don't know.
You want to press charges?
Grab my keys.
I just want her to leave.
Okay, these are your options. Obviously, she doesn't want to listen. So, do you want to press charges? Huh? I'm going to need you to go to court. I'm going to need you to write a statement that you've asked this lady to leave 5, 6 times like I have, and she'll go to jail. Okay.
That's understood.
Okay.
That's incredible. Like $3,000 a month on that?
Well, you just, come on
Can I
with me.
just come in after
Come on.
fucking taxi?
Yeah. Gosh, I can't believe you did this. Well, you're going to jail. Yeah. You're going to jail.
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
All right.
Handcuffed, she screamed, cursed, and blamed the cops for everything, then randomly spiraled into complaining about her late Amazon order, as if Prime Shipping could save her a meltdown with free delivery.
Have a seat.
No,
Have a seat.
that's fine. No, no, take my fucking rights.
Have a
Fuck
seat.
that shit.
All right. She's going to jail. You can bond her out a couple hours.
I just don't want, I'm scared, you guys let her go, she's gonna come back down here and cause a ruckus after you leave too.
So she wouldn't leave when we were here and put her in handcuffs. I don't know what she's going to do when we unhandcuff her and...
Right.
No. No. She's going to jail. Okay?
No, I don't.
Yeah.
unnecessary. I don't necessary.
Just move. Move.
No.
Move.
No.
What the fuck are you doing?
Stay in here.
No! What are you arresting
You're
me
fixing
for?
to go to
What
jail
are
for
you
vandalism
arresting?
too.
For what?
Because I asked you to leave, and the management asked you to leave.
I can leave to my apartment. I live here, man.
But you don't live in the office when we
I
asked you to
live in
leave.
the apartment.
Put your feet back in
I
here.
just want my mail. That's
your feet
all
back
I
in here.
want. I have
Put
a package coming from Amazon
Put your
that
feet back in
hasn't
here.
been delivered yet, and you're fucking arresting me for it.
Yeah, you got yourself arrested. Put
No,
your feet in now.
no.
Put your feet in
I'll
now.
get my fucking feet in. Fuck you.
No, she's going to jail.
There is
Sorry,
family.
I don't speak English so good, but sorry for that.
That's
but
okay.
It's drunk.
Yeah.
Can't.
I know she's drunk. But I asked her to leave 8 times. Leave the office. She would not leave the office. Now, who is he to you? Who is he to you?
He's my brother.
Okay, you need to take him away from me, okay? He's drunk too, before I have to put him in jail. I don't want to. I didn't want to put her in jail. But so take your brother, please leave.
Yeah.
Hey.
She's gonna catch a charge for if she breaks anything. It is what it is. Yeah. See the way she's acting? That's a no-go. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
This is so fucking unfair. I'm fucking sitting there disbarred by every fucking law. And one time my boss leaving my pool drunk, so fucking me. I still paid my rent. I listened to the law. All I wanted was my mail, man. I'm talking to you. I'm a human. I'm not a fucking animal. I'm not a fucking masochist that's killed 23 people with no fucking remorse. I'm a human woman. It's fucked up. I don't give a shit if you're fucking arresting me. Fuck that shit. Fuck this fucking country. Can I get my fucking slipper back at the very least? Can I get my slipper back at the very least on my right foot so I don't hurt my fucking right foot so I don't have to go to the fucking chiropractor? Can I get that, please? Please.
I have it.
Please, no, can I get it on my right foot? Just like you want me out of the pool, can I get my right slipper on my right foot?
I'll give it to you when we get to jail.
No, I really want it now.
This isn't your world, dear.
This isn't your world either. We all were brought up by the same fucking God.
She got so drunk she spiraled, crying, cussing, yelling about civil rights, begging for her sandals, whining about betrayal, and oversharing her anxiety like anyone asked, "This isn't your world, baby."
Next time you'll listen when the police tell you to do something.
What?
Told you to leave.
About getting my mail?
Told you to leave.
Told you to leave.
You didn't
For
want to
getting
leave.
my mail.
Didn't
for
wanna
paying
leave.
rent on time. For doing my due diligence. For registering my fucking license on time. For registering my license plate on time. And I still get arrested. You wouldn't be pissed?
No, I would have left when the officer told me.
No! Left at one point with a white bitch would have been fucking racist and looked at me in the eye? Telling me to leave the fucking office for asking for my mail? And I asked in the most polite way. I don't give a shit if you arrest me.
Okay.
That's fine. All I want is my right slipper back on my right foot. Because I have feet problem. I have general anxiety disorder. And if you guys don't obey to that, then that's going to be a real issue. The maximum I've done is like maybe I got into a car accident once or twice, but I've never done wrong to a person on this fucking planet or ever wished wrong on someone. Yeah, I'm still over here arrested while people who have betrayed me, fucking misspelled me, people who have stolen from me, and you guys don't do anything. I completely understand. Yeah, sure, I might be acting like a little menace. I may be a little frustrated, but can you understand me for 2 seconds of your human life? It would have been with your daughter.
I think my daughter would probably leave if the police asked her.
No, I wouldn't. I think your daughter would be much smarter. I think your daughter would never drink in her life. I think your daughter would never drink at the pool at her apartment she pays $3,000 for. I It's not even about your dog. That's what you don't understand. It's about being human.
You brought it up.
Your life, man.
Ooh, Lord have mercy. I'm still running.
Is she still wilding out in there?
Oh, yeah.
You want me to follow you to jail?
If you want, you can. She is not happy. What's the name of this place? You got cards?
741 place.
Yeah, let me grab a card from you. She is something else. Huh? Ooh.
It breaks my heart to like have to
That's like-
do that, but it's like, girl, just
How many times did you ask her to leave?
several.
How many times did I ask her to leave? At least 7 or 8?
8.
Holy cow. Thanks, guys.
I really appreciate you guys. Do you have any parts with you too?
I have my truck if you want to come get one.
So where's the prison center, God forbid, where I'm gonna get beat up and raped at? Can I at least know that?
You're going to the Orange County Jail.
Okay, so that's where I'm gonna get raped at and beat up at?
I hope not.
Huh?
I said, I hope not.
I'm sorry?
I said, I hope not.
I hope not. I love that answer.
In the end, she earned herself a perfect parting gift, trespassing after warning. She was told to leave, refused to leave, and then acted shocked when the cuffs came out. Classic chaos math karma stamped the receipt.